While searching for some new ideas to upcycle trash, I ran across these fantastic ideas to upcycle bottle caps from the creative folks at Pinterest. There's some really beautiful ideas in this list, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below. Give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I'll recreate the winning idea. To recreate this snake, first buy or make the snake end and head. Get some cordage or thinner wire. Then drill the holes in the middle of all bottle caps. Use hot glue or another suitable glue to attach the wire or cordage to the tail. String all your bottle caps, place the head in front, gluing the cordage or wire to the head. Also make sure that you include the wire or your cordage in gluing the back of the snake, because you want to make sure that both the front and the back piece are glued on. And that's it! You have yourself a really cool looking snake. This owl is so cute. Use cardboard for the backing. You'll have to use this image as reference as to where to glue the bottle caps to make the owl. Don't forget to add the eyes or the eyebrows. And you are done. Check out this table. You will need a lot of bottle caps of different colors. Use construction adhesive to glue the bottle caps to your table, and you are all set. Isn't this purse so neat? Use a small drill bit to drill holes on the sides of all four corners as if the bottle caps were square. Use fine, strong wire to run through the holes to make the purse. And use any kind of cordage or wire you would like to make the handles. Then you are all set. Isn't this butterfly so gorgeous? Use cardboard for the background, then use this image to go off of as to where the different colors go, or you can make your own pattern. Can you imagine covering an entire chair with bottle caps? Use your own design and use construction adhesive to glue the bottle caps to your chair. Comfy. So for this one, it looks like all you need is a mannequin and some glue to glue the caps to it, and you are done.
Second and the third, then the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things
This is so cute. I love how they use the bottle caps to frame the mirror and fill in the heart. How sweet.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day.
We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a creative post.
You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love.
Today's video was brought to you by me, so please have a wonderful day. Hit the subscribe button to help support my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.